Hello, I am Dr. Saurabh. I am a podiatrist. I passed out from Switzerland. इंडिया में पोडाइट्री की एक भी कॉलेज नहीं होने के कारण स्विट्जरलैंड जाना पड़ा था पढ़ने के लिए. Over there, 4.5 years, regularly we used to only study about the foot and its deformities. I came back and I am practicing since last 11 years. So Butterfly Learning is an academy where I see lot of holistic approach towards the autism and towards the special kids, what they are doing from last 3 years. And we got associated because majorly the issues what they come across with the foot is very challenging, and I have the expertise to help them or the kids rather with the deformities and to get into normal lifestyle. Podiatry is a subject where we are taught about foot deformities, foot biomechanics and how to correct them. तो पोडाइट्री ये साइंस है जो आपके कमर के नीचे जो भाग है उसका करेक्शन, डिफॉर्मिटीज और स्टडी के रिलेटेड हमको पूरा सिखाया जाता है इन पोडाइट्री. सो फुट डिफॉर्मिटीज कैन बी आइडेंटिफाइड आफ्टर एज ऑफ 5, like deformities like flat feet, high arches, knock knees. So in all these cases we can correct and develop it into a better manner. Plus podiatry can be helpful for people with diabetic foot issues, with sports injuries and rheumatoid also. So these days technology have reached to its next level, जहाँ पर विद दैट टेक्नोलॉजी हमको समझ में आता है कि पैर पे प्रेशर कहाँ आ रहा है, गेट साइकिल कैसा है और क्या क्या करेक्शंस करने हैं. सो व्हेन यू ब्रेक अ मर्सिडीज कार एट अ स्पीड ऑफ 110 or 120 रेगुलरली, you will feel some malfunction in their brakes. But with foot it is not like that. You run at whatever speed you want, you stop at whatever second you want, nothing goes wrong with the foot. तो अभी टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एडवांस हो गई है कि ये जो प्लेट है उसके अंदर इतने सेंसर्स है कि जब हम पेशेंट को इसके ऊपर खड़ा रखेंगे या बच्चों को खड़ा रखते हैं इसके ऊपर, तो पूरी जो प्रेशर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वो पूरा का पूरा रीडिंग हमारे पास आ जाता है. इसी प्लेट के ऊपर हम लोग उनका वॉकिंग भी चेक कर सकते हैं, जिसके बोलते हैं गेट साइकिल. गेट साइकिल एसेस करने के बाद पूरा का पूरा रीडिंग कैड-कैम मिलिंग मशीन पे जाता है और AI टेक्नोलॉजी से डिज़ाइन होता है और इंसोल्स हम दे पाते हैं, जो हम सॉल्यूशंस बोलेंगे इसे. Toe walking is usually seen in autism kids. That is because of the refusal with the contact with outside world. That's why they are most of the time on the toe tips and they try to be away from the ground. So when they are toe walking, we see lot of tightness in their calf muscles, their intrinsic muscles, which leads them in stiffness. So what we do is we do regular stretches and we do proper physical training with those kids. Plus we need some appliances for their feet to use while walking, while they are at rest, so that it keeps their muscles stretched. Plus we can use insoles to support their heels and make them feel grounded again. There are few exercises like walking on the slope upwards which will help them to stretch their calf muscles and they gradually will start touching the heels on the ground. So the most common deformities what we can observe or notice in kids with autism is toe walking, and for normal kids it's flat feet. So out of every normal 10 kids, I can say 4 are with flat feet. That is having different multiple reasons. One, it has been given by parents. Second, it is by wearing appropriate footwears. Third, it might be because of their sedentary lifestyle, what these days they are with more on the gadgets. This all leads to flat feet and other foot issues in their future. So usually there are two types of flat feet. One is a fat feet and another is a flat feet. So what happens in flat feet is the navicular is dropping and the arches are collapsing, and usually gradually they will turn into overpronation. So we customize this insoles on milling machine according to the reports generated from TheraPlay, and it is being given to the kids. So as you can see here, the reports which are generated from the TheraPlay, which tells us about the pressure distribution. Then these pressure readings are gone on the milling machines and such insoles are milled according to the foot issues. What happens in flat feet is the navicular is dropping down and the arch is getting collapsed, which will lead to overpronation gradually. In diabetes, the most common complaint for patients is the burning, numbness, tingling in their feet, and that is because of the neuropathy what they develop over a period of time. So when there is no sensation in the feet, even a prick of a nail in their feet is neglected by them, and that leads to the ulcer and plus the amputation. So the common foot ulcers what we see are because of the pressure coming on the foot in diabetic patients. So we again scan them and we provide them insoles which will redistribute their weight and help them in proper mobility. In neuropathy, there is no sensation, that's why they land up with foot ulcers. So I would like to request each and everyone to check their kids' feet, whether it is toe walking, flat foot, or whatever issue is. Come to us in our center, see the facility, look at the reports and give them a better mobility. I will request all the parents कि आप हमारे सेंटर में आइए, आपके बच्चों को लेकर, उनकी कोई भी पैर की समस्या होगी वो हम सॉल्व करेंगे with our experts.